Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature in Microsoft Outlook that can make your email game way more efficient. If you're tired of sending emails at odd hours or want to schedule messages for the perfect time, this 2025 guide on how to schedule emails in Outlook is just for you. Whether you're a busy professional or a student managing deadlines, this tip will save you time and help you stay organized. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Outlook installed on your computer or device. Once you're all set, open up Outlook and head to your inbox. Now, click on New Email to start composing your message. Type in your recipient's email address, add a subject, and write your body text just like you normally would. Next, look for the Options tab at the top of the email window. It's usually right there in the ribbon menu. Click on it, and then find the Delay Delivery button. Don't worry, it's straightforward. A dialog box will pop up where you can set the exact time and date you want your email to be sent. For example, if it's currently 10 a.m. and you want it to go out at 9 a.m. tomorrow, just select that time. After you've set your desired send time, hit OK, and then go ahead and click Send on your email. Outlook will hold onto it until the scheduled time rolls around. That's it, your email is now queued up. One quick tip. Make sure your Outlook is running and connected to the internet at the scheduled time, or the email might not send automatically. Also, double-check the time zone settings to avoid any mix-ups. This feature is a game changer for avoiding after-hours emails and keeping things professional. There you have it, folks. Scheduling emails in Outlook 2025 is easier than ever. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.